Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we'll study about starters, the starters, necessity, and types. Here, you can ask me the starters. What is the necessity of starters in the three-phase induction motor? See here, there are many types of starters available because both AC as well as DC motors requires starters for starting them. Then you may ask me, what is the necessity of this starter? Instead, we can directly connect the supply to the motors. But before that, we need to know the purpose of this. So, whenever you connect the three-phase induction motors directly to the supply, what happens is the three-phase induction motor will take very heavy current at the starting, which will be 5 to 7 times 3 to 5 times or 5 to 7 times the full load current, or we can say rated current of the motor. So just imagine if the rated current of the motor is 10 amps and if you cannot connect the starter at the beginning, then what happens is the current that may flow at the beginning in the motor windings will be 30 to 50 amps, which may damage the motor windings within span of seconds. And this is just because of heavy voltage drop in the line. Not only the motor windings will be damaged, but also it damages the neighboring consumers. And we know that almost all the motors are connected to very expensive devices. Our motor is all as well an expensive machine. So there is a very important function that starter performs at the starting. So there are four necessities in that. The first necessity of starter is what? It reduces the starting current, which is 3 to 5 times the full load current that may damage the motor windings. Okay, so that has to be reduced. So in order to reduce that, we are using the starter. The second purpose is, first function is to reduce the starting current. Next is what? It provides the overload protection for the motors. So the starters will be having this overload relay. Whenever the motor current exceeds the rated current, like if you say the motor is designed for 10 amps and the same 10 amps rating will be set in the overload relay, if the current flows above the 10 amps, the relay will trip the connection to the motor and motor will be protected from any overload conditions. The third necessity of the starter is operator safety. As we see on all of the starters, we are having push buttons. The push buttons will be like this. That is nothing but, see, we can see over here. The push buttons are having the push button, red and green push buttons are there. The green is used to start and red is used to stop the motor. See, accidentally if there is any short circuit fault occurred in the winding because of overheating, then the operator doesn't need to resolve that fault by touching the motor. He can immediately use the red push button so that the motor will be stopped for the same instant. Okay, so the operator safety is as well provided on the starters. Okay, so the starters, there are different types of starters available in the market. For your syllabus, we are studying the starters which are used for three-phase induction motors. Okay, so basically we are having three types of starters for three-phase induction motors. The first one is direct online starter, and the direct online starters are used for the motors for the rating up to 5 HP. These direct online starters are connected between the motor and the main supply. Like the main supply is firstly connected to the starter and then it is given to motor. So hence they are called as direct online starters. Next we are having star delta starters. In star delta starter, what happens is at the beginning the motor connects in the star to the supply. Okay, because whenever the motor is connected in the star at the starting, the voltage will be 220 volt into 1 upon root 3 like that. So therefore the voltage is given properly, and when the motor takes the speed of 70 to 80%, the motor connects to the supply in delta connection. So hence we can say that the star delta starters are most commonly used starters, and these can be used for the motors in the ratings of 5 to 15 HP. Next we have auto transformer starter, which are used for the ratings above 15 HP 3-phase induction motors. So this is all about starters. We'll see the next concept in the upcoming videos.